Here today with Sergio Longinos, one of our Star team members here at the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Welcome, Sergio.
Hey, thank you. Hey.
Hey, I like that. So, hey, I want to ask you today, what do you think about the vibe in the office and on our team?
I like the vibe here, actually. The first thing I've noticed more than anything was everybody's super motivated and always have a hand to help you. So if you have any questions, I always ask a lot of our agents just little things to help me out with.
We do strive to be very collaborative, so that's good to hear. Hey, Sergio, what do you think sets us apart from other teams?
I would say one of our biggest thing is marketing. I always feel like our marketing is like really hefty, and that's something that's a really big point that people want to hear about. Even just selling or buying, instead we have a lot of just stuff on inventory that we can take a look at, and just there's always something being posted about our agents here in the office too. So
we do work very hard to promote you. And so did you know that our ads are seen close to 160,000 times a month?
No, I did not know.
160,000 times. That's a lot. How do you think our team's values align with yours?
I would say it aligns with mine, as in everybody's constantly improving and sort of going towards the same goal, as in helping people just have any questions with real estate in general. As in, if I have any questions, I'm always free to ask any of the admins or a manager, and they'll be able to help me out. And it pushes me to do better. So
constant growth. That's actually one of our core mission goals is growth and excellence. So what do you think makes our team different in your opinion?
In my opinion, I would say it's really diverse. There's a lot of different kinds of people, and a lot of people that are specifically skilled in niches, I want to say. So we have a bunch of agents that either do commercial buildings, buying, selling, listing, and everybody's always there to help. So it just makes an environment for growth.
Well, that's why you're a valued member of our team, because your core values are the same as ours. Our company core values are the acronym PAIGE. PAIGE, passion, authenticity, inclusion, growth, and excellence. And you pretty much hit all those. So I know that you always put your clients' needs ahead of yours, and that's what's really made you successful. Anything that stands out that you've done recently to really help out a client?
I would just want to say, just explaining some of the stuff they're signing. I want to say, as in, if they're asking questions, I'm always there to help, or if they're feeling iffy about something, I'm always able to mitigate or sort of release stress for them.
Yeah, we've heard that you're an excellent advisor for your clients. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So that's a little bit of time with Sergio Longinos, one of the team members at the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Thanks, Sergio.
All right, thank you.